Mrs. Beals, and we're going to do some more multiplying today. But instead of just using equal groups like our circles and our dots and our stars or whatever, we're going to use a number line. So just like you all skip count with our songs, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, you all are just skip counting. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to skip count, but this time we're going to use a number line. And these can help us find products quickly. So let's look at this first one. The equation it wants us to solve is 5 times 4, and it wants us to use a number line. Well, we can always look at the first factor, this 5, as how many jumps that I want to make total. I'm going to make 5 jumps on this number line. The 4 tells me how many are going to be in each jump. So that means each jump I make is going to only have 4 in it. Watch this. Here's my first jump. I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to make my first jump 0 to 4. That's jump number 1. Okay? It's time for another jump. I've got to jump 4 more. Remember, there's 4 in every jump. So 4 and then 8. That's jump number 2. Okay, I've got to make another jump. So I've got to do 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, notice I count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. I never count the marks. The marks will get me off. Okay, there's my third jump. Now I've got to do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's my fourth jump. And now I've got to do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my fifth jump. Now I'm done because I have 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 4 in each jump. You can see that there's 4 spaces for each jump. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And so I only have 4 in each jump. So what's my answer? My answer is always the last number I land on, which is 20. So the product is 20. Okay? I want you to look down here. It wants me to solve 3 groups of 8 or 3 times 8. Here it is. 3 times 8. So the 3 tells me I'm only making 3 jumps. Okay, only 3 jumps. Up here I had 5. I'm only making 3. And there has to be 8 in each jump. So, let's go ahead and get started. How do I put 8 in my first jump? Well, that's easy. I go from 0 to 8. Okay, that's jump number 1. Okay, I've got to make jump number 2. But I've got to have 8 in it. So I'm going to count the spaces till I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There's jump 2. Remember, I have to have 3 jumps, so I need 1 more. Ready? I'm going to count 8 spaces again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And that is my third jump. So I'm done. I've got 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3, with 8 spaces in each jump. So what number did that land me on? That landed me on 24. So my product or answer is 24. All right, let me get my big eraser out. I think I can make it huge. Let's see. Look at that. All right, so I'm erasing. We're going to scroll down here to 8 groups of 3. Okay, we just did 3 groups of 8, but now we're doing 8 groups of 3. That means 8 times 3. So I have to have 8 jumps. That's a lot of jumps, but they're going to be small because there's only 3 in each jump. So let's do our first one. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 in that jump, and that's jump number 1. Okay? I'm going to count 3 again. 1, 2, 3. There's jump number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 4. I go all the way to 8 jumps. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 6. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 7. I gotta have 8 jumps, so one more. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 8. All right. So I've got 8 jumps, just like it told me to, and I've got 3 spaces in each jump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 spaces in each jump. So that lands me to the number 24. Did anyone notice that up here our answer was 24 too? 3 times 8 is 24, but 8 times 3 is 24. That, my friends, is a flip-flop. And remember, in this commutative, we wear flip-flops. That's right. So this is actually the commutative property of multiplication. It just says that you can do 8 times 3 or you can do 3 times 8. You're still going to get the same product or answer, and that's 24. All right, let's look at 4. I love 4 because, look, they've actually done the jumps for me. I just have to figure out what the equation is. So my first number going to go here is how many jumps I have in all. How many jumps do I have here, friends? 1 jump, 2 jumps. My first number is 2 because I have 2 jumps. Okay. My second number is going to be how many spaces in each jump. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9. You want to count this one just to make sure? Let's just make sure there's 9 here too. If there should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, okay. So our equation is 2 times 9. The product is wherever they land. And look, they landed on 18. So the answer is 18. Awesome. Let me get my giant eraser out here. Okay. Let me hit next and see if there's anything else we need to do with. Let's do a couple more. I know. But we're almost done, guys. And you all, this is a great strategy. I draw number lines on my paper all the time for difficult multiplication. So look, 6 groups of 4. That means 6 times 4. So I need 6 jumps with 4 in each jump. Okay? Jump 1. Oh, gotta switch over to red. Okay, I need 4 in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Oh, I messed something up, didn't I? Do you guys see my mistake? I went, oop, I'm too big of a eraser this time. Look, I went 1, 2, 3, 5. That wasn't jump 5. What jump was that, guys? That was jump 4. So I need to fix that for sure. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps so far, but I need 6. So I'm going to do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's my 6th jump. Okay, so I had to do 6 jumps with 4 in each jump. So I should have 4 spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. I have 6 jumps and I have 4 spaces in each jump. So that lands me at 24. So my answer is 24. Okay. All right. 7 groups of 3. That means 7 jumps, 3 in each jump. Okay. 7 jumps, 3 in each jump. I'm going to start using the same marker so I can go faster. There's 1 jump. Now I've got to do how many in each? 3 in each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I have 7 jumps. There's the 7. I have 3 spaces in each jump. There's the 3. So the number I land on is 21. Let's do this last one. It's going to be pretty quick because look, I only have to do 2 jumps. But I have a lot in each jump. Look how many I have in each. I have 10 in each jump. So let's start it. I need 2 jumps, 10 in each one. So I'm going to go from 0 to 10. And I should have 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now I need to do one more jump with 10 inside it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's jump 1, there's jump 2, there's 10 in each. So look, that leads me to my product, which is 20. All right, guys, you all learned how to multiply by skip counting on a number line. So what we need to remember is the first factor is always our number of jumps. You should always be labeling the jumps. Okay, our second factor is how many spaces should be in each jump. I always just count my spaces before I make my line, okay? Whatever number you land on, that's going to be your product. All right, guys, I am super proud of you. Great job multiplying, and I will see you soon.